Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to jam any Wi-Fi connection. Let's get started. First, we will open the command prompt and gain root permissions by using the command sudo su. Before we proceed, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Next, enter the command airmon-ng start dull 0. Once monitor mode is enabled, enter the command airodump-ng 0. After it starts, copy the BSSID of the Wi-Fi connection you want to jam. Then open another terminal and enter the command aireplay-ng x1024 -0500,000 BSSID BLAN 0, replacing BSSID with the copied BSSID. Hit enter, wait for some time, and observe what happens. Your Wi-Fi connection will get disconnected. For additional information, this command sends 1024 requests per second. The router cannot handle this large number of requests and consequently gets disconnected, effectively jamming the Wi-Fi. Please note that this is for educational purposes only. Thank you.